Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get into the Kraken door. First, you'll need to pinpoint the correct island on your map, as its location is crucial for starting your journey. Next, ensure you've collected all the required items, which typically include a specific key or a set of unique artifacts. Finally, pay close attention to any environmental cues, such as a particular time of day or weather condition, that might be necessary to activate the door's mechanism. This guide will make your entry straightforward and successful. To successfully open the Kraken door, gathering the correct items is paramount. You'll need to acquire the Kraken's eye key, often found after defeating a specific mini-boss or completing a challenging puzzle. Additionally, search for 3 ancient relics, which are usually hidden in distinct locations across the game world. Make sure your inventory is prepared with these crucial components before attempting to approach the door. These items are non-negotiable for gaining access. Once you have all the necessary items, the next step is to solve the door's puzzle. Begin by placing the Kraken's eye key into the central pedestal, which will illuminate a portion of the mechanism. Then, carefully arrange the 3 ancient relics in their correct sequence around the key. Incorrect placement will reset the puzzle. After the relics are in position, interact with the glowing symbol that appears to fully activate and open the Kraken door. This sequence is vital for success. Congratulations, you've successfully opened the Kraken door. Now, prepare yourself for what lies beyond. The interior often presents new challenges, including various enemy encounters, so ensure your combat readiness. Explore thoroughly to discover unique treasures and valuable loot, which are typically found in hidden alcoves or guarded chests. Finally, navigate towards the main objective or boss chamber to complete your quest within the Kraken's lair. Good luck on your adventure!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.